Welcome. If you want to show statistics of your photos on the Instagram, so right now I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's open the application, and this is the account that I create just to show you how it works. So let's add the picture, maybe this one. Click next, tap on the share, and right now go to our profile and let's check the photo. Okay, and there's our photo, right? And as you can see right here, we cannot find the statistics, but when we go to the profile with the activate business account right here, and for example we can enter this one, you will get this view insights. So if you want to get it, it is very important to go to your profile like that, click on the three horizontal lines, then go for the settings, tap on the account. Let's scroll down, click to switch to professional, and maybe we can set it up like the creator. Click on the next. We can set it like the artist, then tap on the done. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, it is ready. So right now when we are going to our picture, you will see the insights, the statistics. Of course there's no one check our photo because this account has 0 followers, and I also didn't set the hashtags on the photo. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.